How to clear Discord cache. Clearing the Discord cache on iPhone can help you fix a lot of issues. However, unlike Android or desktop, iOS does not let you directly clear app cache through system settings. Here is a quick tutorial to do it effectively. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Once inside the General, scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Once you tap on the iPhone storage, all you have to do is scroll down from the list of apps available there and tap on the Discord. Once you tap on the Discord, you can see Offload app option available there. Tap Offload app. This deletes cache but keeps documents and data. Then tap Reinstall app once it is done. This is the best way to clear cache data without losing your login info. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.